Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to hide the status and the navigation bar on the screenshot in this device. So let me show you. First of all, I am going to take the screenshot of the settings page. So in this page, you can see the status bar, you can see here, and the navigation bar, you can see at the bottom. So here I am going to take a screenshot. Okay, now simply go to the gallery. You can see the screenshot is here. So let me show you how to hide the status bar and the navigation bar on the screenshot in this device. Simply go to the settings, tap on the option advanced features, tap on screenshot and screenshot recordings. Then here you can see the option hide status and navigation bar, turn on this one. Now again I am going to take a screenshot. Okay, simply go to the gallery. So here you can see the screenshot. Successfully we hided the status bar and the navigation bar on this screenshot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.